Take out 5 sticks. Cut the rest in half. Take out a small section. Bend the top backward. Curve the entire petal using your thumb. Make a total of 3. Take out 1 complete pipe cleaner.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
Cut off the excess at the bottom. This way, it will be easier to stick together later.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
Now, start assembling them together.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Three small petals inside, 5 large petals outside.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Each petal should be slightly overlapped by the previous one.
We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
If your box bottom doesn't have foam, you don't need to use stem wire when assembling the flowers. Open and arrange all the petals. The best handmade Valentine's Day gift.